Hi guys, it's Stella here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free followers on TikTok. Okay, you can see my followers, 790 followers, and this account is not even up to 7 days. It's not even up to 1 week. I created this account, so I'm going to show you how to do this. Last night I applied this method and got 111 followers. Before I woke up in the morning, I was seeing 111 followers. So let's get to it so I can show you how to get free TikTok followers. Okay, so first you need to make sure you have an internet connection, and then you click on inbox. When you click on inbox, click on new followers. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. Okay, so this is new follower. These are new people that started following me. You can see I'm not even following all of them back. See, I have so many people that followed me. You can see the time, 4 minutes ago, 1 minute, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. They started following me. So if you start this method, TikTok will also put your TikTok account out for people to start following you. Okay, so you scroll up down here, you can see find friends. Okay, just tap on about 25 of them. You don't have to overdo it so that TikTok will not shadow ban your account. Okay, just tap on it. I'm going to have tap on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So I'm going to stop here. Okay, and I'm going to wait for like 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to show you how many people that started following me after doing this. Okay, so let's just wait for 30 minutes. I'm going to show you the result. Okay, you're going to see it. You can see so many people started following me. I've not even followed them back. So we're going to wait for 30 minutes and see the outcome. So guys, I am back to check how many followers I've got after the trick. Okay, so just tap on inbox. When I tap on inbox, you can see 19 new followers. 19 new followers. Okay, just tap on new followers. Okay, you can see 19 new followers. Even the people I did not follow, they started following me, because this will help TikTok to put your account out to find followers, as we did. You see some people's account was there, so your own will also be there. You can see some people that did not even follow, they started following me. So let me go back to my profile. Okay, before now we have 790 followers, and now it is 807 followers. So what do you think will happen to this account after 1 month? This is happening in less than 1 week. I am getting 809 followers. Okay, this is a simple trick to make you grow your TikTok account. See, I'm making a faceless video. If you love this video and want to make something like this, then drop me a comment. I'll teach you how to make a video like this. Very, very simple.